right here with Torq. If you are sick and tired of using complex Python scripts to automate AWS, listen up, I am talking to you. You can easily run AWS CLI commands directly inside of a Torq workflow to execute AWS tasks. Even better, Torq uses AI functionality to help get the commands you need. No more digging through AWS documentation. It's time to kiss Python goodbye. Let's take a look at how Torq with AWS CLI can save you a ton of time when automating AWS. Let's go ahead and get started. So first, we're gonna search for the AWS CLI command. Now, I've already had this configured with my AWS integration, so just note that. But I'm gonna go ahead and let's just start here with a common example. So you'll find this in the AWS documentation on using AWS CLI as an example of using describe instances. Okay, so see that right there? I'm gonna go ahead and execute this, and this is gonna look for any tag with the name of server 1 that has the value in my US East 2 region. So let me go ahead and execute this. Okay, wait for the results. And what we're gonna see here is my results come back with my instance information directly back into Torq and a JSON value so that I can use this with other steps that I have later. All right, you see that there? But let's now say that I want to run a command where I pull that same information, but I only want the instance ID and public IP. And so I'm going to go ahead and use our AI complete to do this. You see that right there? And so I want to create a new step, and I'm just going to paste in the name of the step the way I want this to be. All right, so this is going to have to be describe the instance in region US East 2 with the name server 1 and provide the instance ID and public IP in JSON output. And what I'm gonna have to do is use our AI complete function to have it go get the command I need to do exactly what I've asked this step to do. All right, so you can see right here as I click that all these values are pre-filled, and I didn't have to do any tests or queries or consult any AWS documentation. We love to see it. The AI complete built my command I need for the AWS CLI. So let me go ahead and execute it and see what our results look like. All right, now we can see that I have the instance ID and my IP address that's available from my output. Now let's say I want to have all my instances have the name server. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna paste in a very similar command. I'll rename the step here, and I have it set to describe the instance in region US East 2 where the name contains server and provide the instance ID and public IP in JSON output. All right, so let me go ahead and run the AI complete, and then we'll execute our command to see the output. Let's take a look here. And now we see that I should have 3 different servers with their instance IDs and their IP addresses listed in a simple array that I can use within Torq to go about doing some automation with these instances.